You can type in your thoughts. You can type in your thoughts in the chat section. The recording will be shared to you by your coach. You can ask your coach also, and it will be shared to you on the Warrior group as well in the SugarFit app.
Anuja, you're talking about recordings?
Yeah.
No, they're not.
No?
So people, I have been talking about this from a long time, that all the recordings have been updated to the YouTube channel. I have sent the link to your of the channel a couple of times. So please, you subscribe the channel and you will automatically get the updates on all the recordings what have been uploaded there in the system. So just give me a second. I'm sharing the link with you. Please note it out, and you can follow all the sessions over there.
Yes. So we'll wait, Neha, for a few more minutes and then we'll start at sharp 11.
Yes, let everyone join and we will just wait for a couple of more minutes. Till then, I just want to know from each one of you, any topic that you want us to take up for the webinar, the weekend webinar, any topic which is there in your mind, you feel that I'm not.
One topic here. I can see one topic here. Everyone talks about protein, but most what we touch are carbohydrates. So we can, I guess, consider this as a topic.
Sure. So we have already done in the past. We will repeat it again. What are the protein sources? So till then we have a time. I just quickly also give you a brief that what are proteins. So there are two types of proteins. One is the animal protein and one is the plant-based proteins. What are the animal proteins? I want answers from in the chat section. Let me test your knowledge quickly. We have been talking a lot about this. So let's write down in the chat that what all are the sources of protein. Anyone? I hope we must be aware about it.
I can see one source which is in chat is egg.
Yeah, there are many sources, like apart from egg.
Meat.
Meat. Okay. So these are animal sources, right? So anything which is made up of animal, like either like milk, we talk about, meat, eggs, chicken, fish, prawn, these are all animal proteins. Now, when we talk about the plant-based proteins, what all we have? Any sort of dal, all the pulses. Koi bhi tarike ki dal, pulses, these are all the proteins. Again, if we talk about the proteins, there are a lot of legumes. Chole, rajma, chane, malka dal. These are all, again, proteins. Peanuts are protein. They have like little incomplete proteins, but they do have proteins. Nuts have protein. Avocado has protein in a small quantity. We have a lot of proteins in your soya bean. We have proteins in the paneer, any milk and milk based products. So these are all sources of proteins what we can add up in our daily routine. Now people feel that how we can add it, because in India majorly lunch is something where we have a dal, but breakfast and dinner we lack the proteins big time. Now, how we can add up the proteins over there? Either you keep the sprouts always ready in your fridge and take a handful of it, add a lot of vegetables and consume it before the meal. So your salad and the proteins, both you have got all together. You can also make the boiled legumes for the breakfast, and the same one quantity you can keep it for the dinner also. Like for example, we have made black chana. Now boiled black chana can be taken as a breakfast, black chana chaat or the lobia chaat. Small portion can be kept for the dinner. If you're only eating the sabzi and the roti or the sabzi and the rice, we won't get the cure. So if we don't get the, we are just eating the sabzi and the rice, sabzi and the chapati, what is missing is proteins are missing. Both are carbohydrate sources. So protein helps us in building our muscles. It helps us in blunting the spikes, making the low glycemic index. It's actually में क्या करता है? आपका जो absorption है body में वो धीरे धीरे स्लो डाउन करके आपको बॉडी को टाइम देता है कि पैंक्रियास जो है मीटअप कर ले ग्लूकोज रिक्वायरमेंट्स को और ग्लूकोज को इजीली आपके सेल्स के अंदर एब्जॉर्ब करनी है. सो आप बहुत सारे सोर्सेस हमने डिस्कस कर लिए. इसके अलावा भी we can go with the plant-based proteins. Pea protein है, whey protein है. So we can add all these proteins. SugarFit has recently launched a protein powder, which is very reasonable also, plus very easily digestible by the body. It's a plant-based protein, pea protein. So you can use that also. So now we're just wait for a few more minutes. By 11:04 we will start up. But before that, I want to know आप कौन से टॉपिक चाहते हैं हम वीकेंड वेबिनार में कवर अप करें. Just write down in the chat. We will take it one by one. कोई ऐसा टॉपिक जो आप चाहते हैं कि हम वीकेंड वेबिनार में कवर करें, प्लीज राइट डाउन. इसके अलावा how is everyone doing, and I just want to know ki, are we able to follow the lifestyle what Sugar Fit is suggesting you? Any challenges that you are facing, please write down over here. It's an interactive session, right? We all should discuss whatever we are going through, what all challenges we are facing. Kalaji, absolutely, I will share the protein sources. I have done that in the last week also. मैंने last week में एक पूरा chart share किया था animal and vegetable protein, plant-based protein का. Don't worry, Santosh ji, I will write down and send you all the things. So you need not to worry about the protein sources. अभी एक और बहुत अच्छी चीज है कि हम प्रोटीन्स की बात करते हैं तो दालों में भी प्रोटीन्स के साथ कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स होते हैं, है ना. इट्स अ लेंटेका. ओनली एनिमल प्रोटीन से होता है, उसमें हमारे कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स नहीं होते हैं. सो वी शेयर एवरीथिंग इन द प्रीमियम ग्रुप. आपके दो चैट ग्रुप्स हैं. वन इज द वन ऑन वन कोच ग्रुप, सेकेंड इज द प्रीमियम ग्रुप. आई वॉन्ट ईच वन ऑफ यू टू बी एक्टिव ओवर देयर इन द प्रीमियम ग्रुप. जितना आप एक्टिव रहेंगे उतना ज्यादा आपको हेल्प होगा to understand and interact with each other. In fact, आप सब वहां पर हैं. You all can start talking to your friends over there, and I'm sure you will get a lot of answers. More than the coach, it's like good to interact with like-minded people. आपके friends हैं, you can make good friends over there. All are from a very reputed, background, and they are like very, very successful in their career. It's just that they are also like you, who was, trying to reverse their diabetes. So we all can discuss many aspects over there. Chia and basil seeds, absolutely, it is helpful. It's a superfood. It helps in keeping the first thing. It's very high in magnesium. तो अगर हम diabetes की बात करें, because of its high magnesium content, it helps in reducing the resistance, plus giving you a good blood glucose control. Secondly, what it helps is it keeps the body alkaline. हमारी body बहुत acidic हो जाती है because when we are digesting the food, leaving a lot of free radicals, increasing the oxidative stress. So to bring this down, we can have the basil seeds, plus बहुत अच्छी satiety value भी देती है. It has good amount of fiber, so keep us full so that we don't end up eating too many unnecessary meals. Just join the program. Abhishek, I just suggest you go very slow. It's absolutely okay. Don't try to do so many things all together. One thing you have to understand is that you have to prepare your brain. Understand that why we are doing this. What is the importance? Secondly, make one change at a time. Like abhi this week we have decided we are going to have the salad before the meals. We are going to increase the vegetable amount. And second is the proteins. Has to be there in all the meals. Just work on these two. Second week, go with the exercise. See that you are doing, strength training, doing some valuable exercise. Like if we start the strength training, TheraBand workout, resistance workout from the day one, what's the benefit? Your muscle size starts increasing, and the more the muscle mass, the better will be the glucose absorption. तो आपके शुगर बहुत जल्दी जल्दी HbA1c कम होता है. तो जिन्होंने स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग करी है, they can observe कि कितने जल्दी उनका ओवरऑल हमारा जो HbA1c है वो ड्रॉप हो रहा है compared to those who are just doing the walking. So I think lot of things we have been discussing, और end में हम फिर से discuss करेंगे. We will come to this topic, and आपके जो भी questions हैं, we will keep it an open discussion. तब तक Anuja will take you up to the session. I'll just quickly give a reminder of the people to join in.
Yes, I'll just share my screen. Okay. So is my screen visible? You guys can just type it in the chat box. This is completely fine. Yes or no? Okay, great. So today's session, we will be covering about how you will be able to manage your blood sugar levels during your holidays. I'll be talking both in English and Hindi so that the people who are here who doesn't understand Hindi will be able to understand in English, and who doesn't understand English will be able to understand in Hindi. आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे शुगर लेवल्स को मैनेज कैसे करना है व्हेन वी आर ऑन हॉलीडेज, घूमने जब जाते हैं या छुट्टियों पे जब होते हैं, ऐसे टाइम पे हमको शुगर्स को कैसे मैनेज करना है. Initially, we will be discussing the things which we should consider while going outside, and then I will be giving you some practical tips and tricks and tips which will help you in your next holiday to take care of your health and your blood sugar levels as well. शुरुआत में हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि हमको क्या क्या ध्यान में रखना चाहिए जब हम कोई भी हॉलीडे प्लान करते हैं या कहीं बाहर जाते हैं, और उसके बाद हम लोग आगे जाके डिस्कस करेंगे रियल लाइफ प्रैक्टिकल टिप्स जो मैं आपको आज दूंगी, जो आपको नेक्स्ट आपका हॉलीडे प्लान करते समय बेनिफिशियल रहेगी. इसके दौरान अगर आपको कोई भी क्वेश्चन है, डाउट है, आप चैट बॉक्स में डालते रहिएगा. बाय एंड ऑफ दिस सेशन खत्म होने से पहले हम वो सारे क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स एक एक करके देंगे. ठीक है, गोइंग अहेड. सो बेसिकली दिस इज जस्ट अ कोट कि ट्रैवलिंग विद डायबिटीज हम सबको कभी कभी चैलेंजिंग लगता है, राइट? यहाँ पे किन किन लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि अरे शुगर है तो मैं ज्यादा घूम नहीं पाऊंगा, या घूमा तो बहुत रिस्ट्रिक्शंस आ जाएंगे. ऐसा किन किन लोगों को लगता है? जस्ट टाइप yes or no if you feel that with the diabetes it is very hard to travel or hard to enjoy your holiday. So many yeses are coming, right? But there are things which we can do to manage your diabetes, right? There are things which we can do to manage your diabetes, maintain your sugar levels even if while you're on travel, right? ऐसे टाइम पे हमको क्या क्या करना चाहिए, ये सारी चीजें हम आज के कॉल पे डिस्कस करेंगे. ठीक है? सो दीज आर सम कॉमन चैलेंजेस दैट many people faces when they are going on a travel. So first challenge is lack of planning. हम बहुत कम प्लानिंग करके कभी कभी रैंडम प्लान्स बना के भी वेकेशंस पे निकल जाते हैं, हॉलीडेज पे निकल जाते हैं. सो यू शुड बी प्लानिंग योर वेकेशंस prior so that you will be able to take care of your sugar levels during your holidays. Okay, many people only take medicines which is required for that particular days of vacation, but my opinion on that would be you should be taking thrice a time more medicines with you, carry thrice a time more medicines with you of your travel days. Basically आप मेडिसिन कम लेके जाते हो, या फिर जितने हम दिन के लिए यूजुअली बाहर जाते हैं हॉलीडे के लिए उतने ही टाइम के मेडिसिन हम लेके जाते हैं. बट सेफ ये चीज होती है कि हम ज्यादा मेडिसिन कैरी करें. 3 times ज्यादा मेडिसिन भी अगर हम कैरी करेंगे तो भी वो बेनिफिशियल रहेगी. मेनी पीपल थिंक्स व्हाट टू ईट व्हाइल वी आर ऑन ट्रैवल. खाना क्या है जब हम ट्रैवलिंग पे है, उस टाइम पे क्या खाना है? दैट इज अ बिग चैलेंज एंड दैट इज अ बिग क्वेश्चन ऑफ एवरीवन हियर. एवरीवन जस्ट यस और नो करके बताइएगा यहाँ पे किन किन लोगों को ये सवाल हमेशा आता है कि अगर हम बाहर है तो क्या खाना है. यस, राइट, मेनी पीपल get confused कि अगर मैं बाहर हूं तो मैं क्या खा सकता हूँ. The world is whole lot of right now refined food और junk food, all these things are there, but उसमें से भी हमको ऐसी चीजें खानी है जो हमारी शुगर्स को मेंटेन करने में हमारी मदद करे. ठीक है? Next challenge that many people face is dehydration because we are traveling, so we keep on drinking lesser water as compared to our normal days. Dehydration एक challenge होता है क्योंकि हम usually जब travel पे होते हैं हम कम पानी पीते हैं हमारे normal days के comparative. This is one challenge. Anxiety and stress. So why anxiety and stress I have listed here as a challenge is basically जब भी हमारे शुगर्स ट्रेवल्स के टाइम पे अप डाउन करते हैं, मे बी वी गेट स्ट्रेस्ड आफ्टर वी कम फ्रॉम द हॉलीडे एंड चेक द शुगर. Okay, this is the big stress I have seen in many of the users of mine कि आने के बाद we usually feel stressed कि शुगर चेक करनी है या नहीं. How many of you here जब भी आप वेकेशन से आते हो, आने के नेक्स्ट डे कौन कौन शुगर चेक करता है, कितना आया है, या कौन कौन डरता है शुगर चेक करने के लिए? You can type these answers in the chat box. Very good. I can see 2 yes coming that they check the sugar. I'm very happy to see those 2. Others who don't check the sugar once you're back from travel, please do check the sugars. This is not to, increase your stress levels, or this is not to increase your anxiety. This is to understand that what that holiday had an impact on our blood sugar level. This is to just reassurance of ourselves कि sugars कितने आ रहे हैं, even if we are traveling हमारे sugars क्या है, and then you will be able to plan your normal days accordingly to control the sugar levels. Okay, so next time onwards, whenever you are going on a travel, keep checking your sugars. Once you're back from the travel, keep checking your sugars. Okay. The next challenge that we usually see while on holidays are low physical activity, because we are traveling, we are continuously sitting in a car, or maybe we are not moving as we used to do at home regularly. तो वो एक चैलेंज आता है कि हमारा फिजिकल एक्टिविटी बहुत कम होता है ड्यूरिंग ट्रेवल्स. देन चेंज इन द टाइम जोन्स. व्हेनेवर यू आर ट्रैवलिंग अब्रॉड, टाइम जोन में चेंजेस आते हैं, सो योर होल साइकिल चेंजेस, स्लीपिंग पैटर्न चेंजेस, ईटिंग पैटर्न चेंजेस, मेडिसिन का पैटर्न थोड़ा सा चेंज होता है टाइमिंग्स के हिसाब से. तो दिस इज द बिग चैलेंज विच वी सी टाइम जोन में क्या क्या होता है. देन क्लाइमेट चेंजेस आर ऑल्सो देयर, दैट ऑल्सो हैज अ इम्पैक्ट ऑन योर लाइफ स्टाइल रूटीन, या आपका जो भी शुगर लेवल्स है उस पर भी उसका इम्पैक्ट होता है. एंड ऑब्वियसली स्लीप डिस्टर्बेंस बिकॉज ऑफ द टाइम जोन चेंजिंग, जेट लैग होता है, ऑल दिस थिंग्स हैपेंस, एंड दैट इज व्हाई स्लीप डिस्टर्बेंस भी होता है. These are the common challenges. Apart from these challenges, any other challenge that you guys face while on travel, please list down that in our chat section today. ठीक है? Till that, I'll move ahead कि हमको अभी planning कैसे करनी है. Before we go, what all things we should be considering and what all things we should take care of. First thing, as we said, lack of planning है तो pre-plan करनी है हमारे vacations और holidays. Before going on a vacation, you should always be visiting your doctor. Okay, you should always check all your blood sugar levels. Maybe you can check your HbA1c, fasting, post meal, all these things, and visit your doctor so that if there is any medicine changes, doctor will be able to do that medicinal changes, and that will be easier for you for the holiday. Even if you are going abroad, even if your plan is going to abroad for 3-4 months, make sure to do all the checkups and visit your doctor for the medicinal changes if there is any needed. Okay. Secondly, very important, carry your doctor's letter and prescription with you. Okay. Why? Because one thing I'll tell you, try and take more medicines with you rather than usual. ठीक है, 3 times more medicines आपके साथ लेके जाओ. But if let's say those also get finished, you should be having your doctor's letters and prescription to get those medicines wherever you are in the world. Okay. Then make sure that label your items. Let's say medicines को label करके रखो कौन सी medicine किस चीज की है, so that it will be easier for you to remember. If you're on a long vacation, if you're going abroad, let's say for a 6 months, label the medicines कि ये medicine है but ये किस चीज की है. Okay, so that it will make your work easy and it will make your life easy, so that you'll be able to take all the medicines on time. Okay, label all items में मुझे ये one thing I wanted to highlight is your medicines. Okay, then going ahead, get your travel insurance, obviously, because that will, help you to cover for all acute onset of our pre-existing conditions. I can see 2 questions. What to eat is a big challenge. What to eat is a big challenge. We will be touching upon what to eat in detail towards the end of this session today. Okay. Then know your destination before you leave. थोड़ा सा research करो. Where are you going? What cuisine is available there? वहाँ पे staple food क्या क्या है? What staple food is available there? So that you can pre-plan your holiday a little. कि okay, these are the staple foods. I know that this contains this amount of, let's say, carbs, protein, all the nutrients, and you can plan accordingly कि वहाँ पे what all you can eat and what all you can explore to eat. Okay, that is why know your destination. Be informed all the available local medical facilities as well, so that it will be easy. It will make your work easy while traveling. Okay, keep all the information handy. आपके doctor का contact लेके जाओ. Keep a contact of your healthcare professional, your health coach. Keep the contacts handy so that even if you face any small amount of, let's say, confusion choosing anything in the holiday plan, you can contact your healthcare professional. Okay, this is the list before you go, what all things you should be doing. Now let's discuss what all we should be पैकिंग, हम क्या क्या पैक करके ले जा सकते हैं, ठीक है. एज आई सेड, पैक 3 times as much insulin you can, test strips you can, lancets, needles, and your tablets, because it is very important for us during our travel or holiday to check the sugar levels. अगर वहां पे हमारे ग्लूकोमीटर के टेस्ट स्ट्रिप्स वगैरह नहीं मिले, then we'll not be able to check the sugars, right? So pack 3 times as much you can the test strip lancet, so that you will be able to check your sugars on a regular basis. Okay, split your medicines and IDs into 2 different bags, because just in case one get lost, आपके पास दूसरा एक source होना चाहिए, ठीक है. Take a cool bag to stop your insulin getting too hot. Okay, carry a cool bag with you for the insulin. Okay, then as I said, take contact numbers of your healthcare providers team, so that if you need any advice, they'll be available. Take plenty of healthy snacking options with you in case the meals get delayed. So when I say plenty of snacking options, these should be the options which are healthy and which will not give you a sugar spike as such. Maybe you can try some roasted nuts you can carry, mixed seeds you can carry. Then what Santosh ji is asking, what are the healthy snacks options? Yes, we'll discuss those. I'll give you a list of healthy snacks option. Maybe you can carry some mixed nuts, you can carry some mixed seeds, you can carry some high protein dal khakras, which we get nowadays. There are plenty of options, and there is one topic we had discussed in the past about healthy snacks. So you can ask your health coach to share that healthy snacks PPT with you, so that you will have many options handy with you. Yeah, there are many options. These are testy too, Santosh ji. So you can just ask your health coach once to share that PPT. Okay. Now we discussed what to do before we leave. We discussed what to pack. Now let's discuss what to do while we are away from our home. Okay. First thing, let's say, make sure that you will check your blood glucose levels very frequently, maybe once or twice in a month, once or twice in a day at least, because it will help us to understand your risk of hypoglycemia or hyperglycemia. Okay, because of the weather change, as I said, your sugars can vary, because the change in your sleeping pattern, if you are going abroad, because of the time zone pattern, आपका पूरा lifestyle change हो जाता है. That time it is very important for you to keep checking your sugars at least once or twice in a day. You should be checking your sugars to understand if there is any hyperglycemia or hypoglycemia happening, and where are our sugars going. So make sure that you will at least check sugars once or twice in a day when you're away from your home. Okay, then you may have to change your insulin dose depending on your temperatures and everything, but before doing that, you should be consulting your doctor. Don't do it on your own. We have seen many people like that ki thoda sa idhar udhar ho gaya, they change on the insulin levels, but it is very important to consult your doctor before making any changes into your medicines. So this is very important, that before doing any changes in your medicines, please consult your doctor, because I already told you, take your doctor's number with you, so that if you have any difficulty, you can contact them, and that time you can ask these questions to them. Okay. Then, if you are crossing the country or road trip, carry plenty of drinking water, okay, to meet your hydrations level, which is very important. Even if you are going on a one-day trip, even if you are going on a weekend, even if you are going, on, let's say, in a plane for 18 hours or so, more than that, carry a water bottle to make sure that your body is well hydrated. Okay. Then these are some small tips which you can do when you are doing on a one-day travel. Santosh ji was asking what all snacks you can carry. These are dried nuts you can carry. Salted popcorns, especially. I have mentioned popcorns here, but that should be salted, not the buttery cheese, not any other flavors. Flavor popcorn will work. Then you can carry wheat crackers. You can carry some dal khakra, high protein khakras. You can carry some yogurt. You can carry some fresh fruits with some nut butter. That is a good option. You can carry some vegetable chopped with hummus. That is also a good option for the one-day trip. These healthy snacks, which will not give you a higher spikes, these snacks you can carry. Okay. Then one-day trip, you have an advantage that one day we usually go nearby. right? So, and nowadays we have many apps like Zomato hai, Swiggy hai, Dine Out hai. All the apps will give you ample amount of information. Where are you going? What all restaurants are available there? And what menu these restaurants contain. So make sure to, let's say, research about that particular area. Find out there is a, I hope many of you have seen. How many of you use Zomato or Swiggy very frequently? Just type yes or no in the chat section. How many of you use Zomato or Swiggy or any online app? Okay, many of them does not. So what I will suggest you guys is try and learn these apps for your information to do research about the places we are going. Why? Because throughout the India, you will get to know कि हम इस area में जा रहे हैं, okay? And there is one tab called healthy foods, okay? Wherein you can click and you will see what all restaurants are there in that category. Okay, so even if in India, let's say you are traveling to other, let's say, state, okay, that will help you to understand कि वहाँ के क्या local foods है, वहाँ पे क्या healthy options you can choose, right? So make sure to learn this one of the app to just research about the place you are going, okay? Then make sure to take rest stops. Maybe you can do some stretching or 5-10 minutes of brisk walk, relax your body a little bit, because गाड़ी में बैठे बैठे भी body अखड़ जाती है हमारी, right? So once you sit for a longer period, your body gets stiff. So maybe what you can start doing is take a stop, just walk for 5-10 minutes, brisk walking you can do, or just do some small stretchings to relax your body a little bit. That will help, okay? Again, carry plenty of water with you because you're going on a one-day trip. You can surely carry your water intake throughout the day. You can carry with you. Okay. Then if you can carry enough salads to complete your daily fiber. Because one-day trips में ये easy जाता है that you can just chop some vegetables and carry with you as a salad to complete your daily fiber intake so that you can enjoy other foods as well while you are outside. Okay. So, Nagji is asking, add a list of veg foods to provide daily protein needs, increase muscle mass. Surely, Nagji, by end of this session, I will give you a list of protein-rich foods which are vegetarians. Okay. Now, some tips. We saw the tips for one-day trip, right? Now, let's understand the tips for flying. Okay. Yeah, someone asked, what are going to you? We are going to US on fly. What should we eat? So these are some tips, Kawaljeet ji, जो आप ध्यान में रख सकते हो. Drink water at every opportunity where you get the opportunity. Okay. Bring empty containers to fill or buy water after passing through the security checkup. Okay. Make sure you will carry empty water bottle with you so that after your security check, you can just fill it with water and you can carry that with you. Okay. If your flight includes a meal, order a diabetic meal at the time you buy your ticket, or at least 2 days in advance, because they give an option to buy a diabetic meal. So you can always choose a diabetic meal when you are buying your ticket. Okay. For in-flight meals, administer insulin only when the food is at your within your sight. Don't directly administer. If you are using insulin बहुत जल्दी लगा के मत लेना, because only when you are able to see the meal, आपको जब मील आता हुआ दिख रहा है तभी इंसुलिन लेना, उससे पहले मत लेना. Okay. Carry some snacks. Again, I have mentioned dried nut, millet cracker, veggies with hummus, fresh fruits you can carry, some snacks bar you can carry. Then again, fresh fruits with peanut butter. Some, if you want, you can also carry some boiled eggs, which you will be able to finish it maybe in that day only, so that it will give you a good amount of protein intake as well. ठीक है. ऐसे small snacks आप flight में भी carry कर सकते हो. ठीक है. Carry some meal replacement bar to just maintain your satiety level, because we only have, let's say, we have no clue when the meal is going to come, right? So that's why carrying these snacks is very important, so that it will help us to improve, or if you are hungry, it will help us to give us a little bit satiety until the meal comes. Okay, now very detailed, will go into the food pattern. जो भी पूछ रहे थे पहले, that they struggle with what to choose while they're outside, right? So there will be 2 to 3 patterns which I will be discussing. One is a la carte menu, which we can order where we are whenever we are outside. There are few hotels, or let's say where we go, they also provide buffet. So we will be discussing what to order that time as well. Okay. First, let's go into a la carte menu. And if you want to order any soups and salad, you have to make sure that there is no thickener into it. You have to ask the chef for the soup which does not contain any cornstarch or maida for that matter. Not only cornstarch, maida for that matter. So जो भी soups ऐसे cream of particular vegetable आते हैं, that are not suggested, because this will have cornstarch or maida into it, and that will lead to your sugar spike. So this one thing is very important while you are ordering any soup. You can make sure to choose any soup that is loaded with vegetables. Okay, so even if you order clear soup is also fine. That's completely a good option and safe option, which will not give you any spike as such. Okay, now many a times we suggest our clients that whenever you go outside, please do order salad first. Okay, so what to order in that salad? There are right now local restaurants as well which provides green salad or cucumber salad for that matter, the basic ones. So even if you are going in a normal dhaba style sitting, you can order salads. You can get cucumber, carrots, tomatoes as a salad. You can ask for them. There is they do mention these salads in the menus as well. But if you're going, let's say, if you want to order some other salads, you have to make sure the salad dressings are very light. Okay, आपको ये make sure करना पड़ेगा कि सलाद का जो भी ड्रेसिंग रहेगा ऊपर से वो लाइट होना चाहिए. सो लाइट होना चाहिए मतलब क्या? उसमें ऑलिव ऑयल, सिसमे ऑयल, हंकर्ड या लेमन जूस, इन सब का यूज चल सकता है. Okay, but there are salads, if I name it, like let's say Greek salad you take, or Russian salad you take. These salads have mayonnaise into it, which is not suggested, because that will have an impact on, let's say, your sugar levels पे भी होगा, but that contains unsaturated fats, that contains saturated fats a lot. So basically इसका impact आपके cholesterol पे and बाकी के चीजों पे भी होगा. ठीक है? So make sure to choose a salad which has light dressings. Olive oil हो, sesame oil हो, hung curd हो, Greek yogurt हो, ठीक है? Lemon juice हो. These things will work. These things you can order, which is safe and which will not have any impact on your sugar levels. Okay? Shrisha is asking, carrot recommended in salads. It depends, Shrisha. You have to check how much spikes you are getting with the carrot, because I personally have seen some people getting spikes with the carrot. Some people does not get any spike with the carrot. So you have to check it on your own. Then third thing, avoid adding table salt into your soups and salads. Table salt ऊपर से मत डालना soups and salads में, because while preparing, these guys use good amount of salt and it has good amount of sodium already into that soups and salad. And at a time, focus on the portion sizes. At a time, order only one thing when you are doing a la carte. अगर soup order करना है तो first finish that soup, then go to the next menu. Okay, don't order all the things at one time and then finish one by one. That will lead to overeating. Okay, finish one menu. If you have chosen to order soup, pehle soup order karo, finish that soup, then move to next. If you want to order salad, order a salad, finish that salad first. Okay, and then if you like to go ahead with the main course, go ahead with the main course. Okay, now let's go with the appetizers, because that's the very important thing nowadays. We all eat while we are outside. Okay, so what appetizers we can choose? My take on that would be, again, we should be choosing appetizers which are high in protein, because we have to complete our protein intake, and then even if we have small amount of carbohydrate, that will not give you a sugar spike. So here before we once have discussed how to manage the sugar levels, usme we had discussed this ki prioritizing vegetables first and protein intake first will lead to lesser spikes as compared to having a carbohydrate as compared to starting your meal with carbohydrate. So in that sense I'm talking कि पहले अगर हमने soup और salad ले लिया है, next what we can do is protein rich starter we can order, appetizer we can order. So what protein rich starters or appetizers we can order is, we can order any appetizer with paneer, we can order any appetizer with soybean. Again, you can order a vegetable starter because it will give you good fiber intake. You can order paneer tikki, soya kebab, paneer kebab, chicken kebab if you are non-vegetarian. Okay, you just have to make sure ki how it has been made. You have to choose baked one, steamed one, grilled one, stir fried one. It's completely fine. We have to avoid deep fried food. Okay. Then go for low calorie dips with this starters. So low calorie dips के साथ, क्योंकि generally हम कोई भी starter order करते उसके साथ cider आता है. Either it comes as a mayonnaise और कुछ चटनी होती, right? So chutney is the safest option. Hummus is the safest option. Tahini is one thing which is made up of seeds, so that you can use. Okay. That also has good amount of unsaturated fats and it is safer than the mayonnaise. You will get it. If you search tahini, Razia, you will get it what tahini is. There are recipes how you can make tahinis at home. So you can try that as well. Then salsa instead of ketchup and mayo will go a little better and will not increase our sugar levels as compared to ketchup and mayo, because ketchup had sugar into it. Read the ingredients. If you have a ketchup bottle nearby right now, go read the ingredients. It had sugar into it and that will lead to sugar spike. Okay. So instead of going with these ciders like let's say dips like ketchup and mayo or cheese for that matter, we can go with low calorie dips like chutney, hummus, tahini and salsas. That would be the best option to do. Rohit is asking what are the take on that would be as lesser the dressing is, healthier the salad is. Okay, अगर dressing में 4-5 चीजों से ज्यादा चीजें added है, that will add on to your calories. Okay, if there is a simple dressing made up of olive oil with some garlic and with some salt and pepper, good to go. The fiber intake is going to be fine and there is no other factors are added. But if there is a salad which has mayonnaise and some all the sausages nowadays we get mayonnaise, we get peri peri sauce, we get then tandoori sauce, we get all these things contains mayonnaise. Okay, and one upon one, let's say for example if we go in a Subway, okay, Subway has these dressings. आप जो भी चूज करोगे वो वहां पे मिलेगा, right? But some of the dressings are high calories. Mint mayonnaise bolo, then tandoori bolo, barbecue bolo, then they have some one dressing with the tomato. I don't remember the name. That is the one which is healthier. But that is also available in some of the Subways, not all the Subways. Okay, so you have to stay away from the dressings that are these which are made up of mayonnaise basically. Okay, then now coming to let's say main course. Main course में क्या order करना है? So if you are having soup, salad and appetizers, and if you're not that hungry, you can directly go for the rice bowl basically. Not necessarily you will have to go for the tandoori roti as well. Okay, you can go for the rice bowl where you can opt for vegetable biryani, maybe a vegetable pulao or burrito bowl which has good amount of vegetables and not just the rice. Okay, or in the simple form you can go for plain rice with plain dal as well. That's the safest option to have even if you are in the restaurant setting. Okay, then if you are going for Indian breads, you have to make sure that particular, let's say that roti is made up of whole grain and not maida. Okay, if you get plain chapati, that would be the best option to have as compared to tandoori roti. Okay, this is about bread. Coming to rice, as I told you, we can order vegetable rice, we can order vegetable pulao, we can order burrito bowls, And if you are opting for simple rice, you have to make sure कि उसके साथ plain dal हो. Do not hesitate to give a, let's say, note to the chef कि don't add any extra tadka, don't use any butter, don't use extra oil. You can make my rice in one, let's say, teaspoon of oil also. Jeera rice, if you're ordering, don't hesitate to give these notes to your chef. Okay? Then, whenever you're going for noodles, you have to make sure that the noodles are whole wheat. Nowadays, you get multigrain also. And if in case you are searching for anything that you can make at home, nowadays you're getting chickpea noodles as well. So you can go for these options rather than going with the normal maida noodles. Okay. And make sure to have any vegetable gravy along with your noodles to cover up the fiber and to reduce the intake of your noodles, because that is simply giving you carbohydrates. Okay. Then if you are going in a setting where only pastas and pizzas are there, okay, if you are traveling abroad, we usually don't get our normal rice, roti and sabzi there. Okay. So agar hum pasta setting, pizza settings mein hai, what can we order? Okay. Go for one. Let's say if you're ordering a pizza, make sure to order one which has a lot of colors from all the vegetables. जितने colors होंगे उतने ज़्यादा उस पे vegetables हैं. ठीक है? Opt for thin crust pizza, not the Domino's wala pizza, and make sure to opt for no extra cheese pizza. If you get whole grain pizza, go with that. Nowadays, there are brands which are giving us multigrain as well. Our Eat Fit. Eat Fit has the multigrain pizza option if you're ordering from outside. Okay, so these things you can consider while ordering a pizza. Okay, getting back, you can also order a pizza which had some protein sources onto it. Maybe paneer hoga, thode se, if you are non-vegetarian, chicken pieces honge. These things also you can choose so that wo aapka ek wholesome meal bhi ban jayega. Okay, then going to the pasta side. You have to make sure कि जो भी sauce हो pasta का, whatever sauce we are ordering for pasta has to be vegetable based, not the white sauce one, because white sauce pasta outside you're eating contains maida, contains cornstarch, contains a whole lot of cheese that is simply adding on to your calorie intake and nothing else. Okay, so make sure you will order a pasta which is vegetable based sauce and which again has a whole lot of vegetables into it. Okay, vegetable intake हम क्यों यहाँ पे focus करें? Overall, like from the starting, I'm talking about have vegetables, salads order करो. Why? Because that fiber will help you to bring your post-meal sugar spikes a little lesser as compared to no fiber food. ठीक है, सो यू हैव टू मेक श्योर कि ये वेजिटेबल्स का जो मैं बोल रही हूँ वो इनकॉर्पोरेट हो while you are on travel. Okay, as I said, don't ask for any extra cheese on pasta and pizzas because that is going to add on the, let's say, calorie intake. Avoid having sausages if possible. Instead, choose options which have stretched. Let's say, as I told you, pizzas pe you can have shredded chicken, you can have shredded paneer. That would be the best option rather than going with the sausages. So this will help you to choose your pizzas and pastas when you are abroad, because there is the biggest challenge. We don't get rotis and sabzis there, right? Then coming to the sizzler part, this is not that common, but yes, some people do focus on these also. But if you ask me, sizzler itself is a whole meal because that comes with the vegetables, with some appetizer, with some rice, with some gravy. So it itself has a meal. So while ordering a sizzler, what all things you should be considering? Read the, let's say, in नीचे जो लिखा होता है details about that sizzler, कि what all sources it has. Does it has any protein source? Does it had good amount of vegetable? Okay. What gravy it has? Is it deep fried things are there available in that? ये सारी चीजें देख के फिर we have to order the sizzler. Okay, so that it will become a wholesome thing for you. And if you already had soup, salads and everything, please try and share the sizzler with 2 to 3 people so that your portion will be in the control. Okay. Lastly, when you are in the a la carte setting, If you're going for desserts, you have to, my take on that would be, please choose Indian desserts rather than going with some pies and cakes and brownies. Please choose some Indian desserts like vegetable halwas or fruit kheer, a simple ice cream with a fruit. All these things you can go ahead with, okay? If you're opting for calorie dense dessert, as I explained you, right, let's say pies and cakes and brownies, do share that with someone so that your calorie intake is in your control. Always remember, desserts has to be in the last, not in the first. Why? I'll explain you in next few slides why desserts has to be in the last. This is all about when you're ordering food. Okay. Priya is asking, does the portion of pizza matter? Yes, Priya, the portions of pizza do matter because it is basically outside food, and pizzas also itself has, even if you order thin crust, it has cheese. So it will add on the calorie intake. Okay. So yes, the portion matters. My take on that would be one or two slices of pizzas is sufficient enough to make sure that you are having a good amount of carbs and everything. If you go beyond that, that will increase your calorie intake and your carb intake as well. Okay. Then these are few tips which we can follow when we are in a buffet setting. Ask, let's say, look for a table which is away from the counter so that you will not continuously and very frequently go near to the counter to take the food. Okay. Second, before starting or before taking anything in your plate, please go ahead and have a tour of all the things which are available. Check what all things are available. जाके check करो. Is there any fiber source? Salad है. Is there any protein source? Protein है. What carbohydrate sources are there? है. तो you can choose out of that, right? And then take a plate and whatever you want. Start with the salad counter first. Pick those which are made with vegetables or lentils and which has no heavy creamy dressings, no cheesy creamy dressings. Ensure at least one protein and one vegetable based appetizer is on your plate to take care of your fiber intake and protein intake. Okay. Instead of taking a big plate for your main course, take a smaller plate so that आपका वो portion control वहां पे maintain रहेगा. See, one thing, even if we are on the holidays, we cannot think that way कि चलो holiday है मैं enjoy कर लेता हूँ, जाते ही देख लेंगे sugars का क्या करना है. This is the mindset which we are avoiding our health basically. We are into the setting कि हम lifestyle में changes कर रहे हैं. So we should be focusing on the changes while we are on the holiday as well. नहीं तो जो भी आपने अभी तक प्रोग्रेस किया है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू आर प्लानिंग ऑन अ हॉलीडे नेक्स्ट वीक एंड यू आर इनटू दैट माइंडसेट कि चलो जाके मैं पूरा एंजॉय करके आऊंगा एंड देन आई विल सी कि आने के बाद मेरे शुगर्स का क्या होगा, देन आई विल अगेन मेक द कंट्रोल एंड एवरीथिंग. No, this is the wrong mindset because whatever efforts you are taking till date is not going to help you further then. Okay. But if you be, let's say, little mindful about what you're eating, what you're doing, what are things you can try and do to improve on your sugar intake, improve on your sugar levels, ये सारी चीजों को हमको यहाँ पे ध्यान देना है so that even if you're back, your sugars are maintained at least and you will be able to continue your reversal journey. ठीक है? Okay. Coming to the tips here. Then, as I said, if you are going for the main course, choose the smaller plate, not the bigger one. Okay. Go for whole grain breads or rice with 2 vegetable curry along with protein based gravy for the main course. Okay. After rotis, you can, if you want, you can go for a very small amount of rice if you would like, or else this step can be completely avoided. Okay. In your dessert plate, have lots of fruits along with one dessert that you would like to have in a very small portion to make sure कि हमारा post meal spike ज़्यादा ना आए. Okay. This is when we are in the buffet setting. Okay. These are some general tips you can follow even if you are ordering food or having in a buffet setting. First, always start your meals with a water intake. And please make sure that you are sipping on the water in between your meal. Not to gulp on the water, gulp नहीं करना है, पूरा glass नहीं पी जाना है, थोड़ा थोड़ा sip करके in between पीना है. Okay? Then, if you are going to have something, let's say fried papad or anything, make sure roasted papad is better than the fried one. Okay? Or as I explained you earlier, order one meal at a time. Soup pehle aaya, soup, appetizers. Don't order all the things together and then try to finish all these things. This is the wrong way. Order one at a time. Okay? When in buffet setting, walk up to the respective counters after each course. Buffet setting में भी सारी चीजें एक साथ मत लेके आओ. हर एक चीज खाने के बाद walk to the counter and take that particular food. Okay? Then place your cutlery back into the plate after each bite. This is just a tip for mindful eating because that will allow your brain to signalize ki if you are full or not. Take time to chew your food well. This is why just keep your cutlery on your plate after each bite. Okay? Then, if you are going out, you have to make sure you are hungry enough to, have a good amount of meal. Okay? If you're not hungry enough, you can just maybe take a soup and appetizers and you can get done with the meal. That is also a good option. Okay? Healthy beverages like buttermilk, jaljeera can be added. Again, you have to make sure that jaljeera mein there is no sugar added. Okay? Then best thing to do is skip the mocktails with the syrups and added sugars. Stay away from the sodas and carbonated beverages because these are just empty calories. Okay? For that particular time, aapko lagega that you are full, but after some time, you will crave for food like nothing. Okay? So please avoid all the sugary beverages. Then check menu online previously when you are selecting the restaurant. If you are, let's say, as I said, learn using Zomato and Swiggy because that is the best apps to know where are you going, what menu is available, and what you can choose while you're going out. You can be mentally prepared ki, okay, this is my menu and this is the one thing I'm going to have today. Okay. Lastly, be mindful while you are eating because you have to enjoy the time, but you have to make sure कि हमारे शुगर्स को हमको कंट्रोल में ही रखना है, मैनेजमेंट में ही रखना है, because we are on a diabetic reversal journey. Okay, few more tips. These are very practical. Okay, if you are going on a longer holiday, maybe even if you are going abroad, you can consider taking any vinegar before your meals. Maybe it can be apple cider vinegar, jamun cider vinegar, to control your post-meal spike. How this is going to happen? Both of this vinegar contained acetic acid. Okay, and this helps our muscles to soak up the glucose faster and burn more fats, and that is how it reduces our post-meal spikes. So even if for the management purpose, you can consider carrying any vinegar with you to manage your sugar levels. Okay, then as I told you before, desserts always last because simple explanation would be if you are taking desserts empty stomach, there will be very quick absorption of glucose into your blood and it can lead to bigger blood spikes. Okay, but when you are having dessert at last, let's say हमने अच्छे से soup, salad, good protein intake and some, let's say, complex carbohydrates खाए, and then if we had desserts, our stomach is already full, right? So there will be slower and smaller absorption of glucose, and that will help us to bring the sugar spike a little lesser as compared to desserts on empty stomach. Okay, very important third tip, walk after you eat. Whenever you are walking, that gives a signals to your muscles to utilize glucose that is present in your blood and use it as an energy source. This will help you to improve on your post-meal sugar spikes. So you can make sure that after every meal, even if you're on holiday, after every meal, after 30 minutes of every meal, you can take a small walk of 10-15 minutes. That will help your muscles to utilize that glucose as an energy and the post-meal spikes will come down. Okay. Again, keep some healthy snacks to munch on because you never know when you'll get the time to eat the next meal. Okay. These are some tips. Okay, this is something which you can make sure while ordering in. हम room service में भी कभी अगर मंगाते हैं, these things you can make sure that you'll order. Try and find out some healthy foods from the healthy category. Okay. Choose a restaurant that serves freshly prepared food. Okay. You can opt for one pot meal because that will give you good protein, fiber, and carbohydrates in one bowl. That would be the good option. But it should not contain any fried or oily ingredients. Okay. You can customize your dishes. As I said, you can always give notes to your chef कि oil कम use करो और इतना ही oil use करो. You can always tell this to your chefs. Okay. Then try to surprise your meals as it will add on the additional calories. Maybe you can, let's say, try not to surprise, as I said. You just have to make sure कि आपका protein intake, fiber intake has to be on the higher side so that next जो भी खाया जाए, it will not add on the calories. Okay. Again, make sure the meals are loaded with veggies and protein, which will help you overcome the post-meal spikes. Okay. These are just some meal combination ideas I have added. Ki normal Indian dressings may what all things you can have. Okay. Then many times on the holidays, this is a very important topic. I'll take 5 minutes more to explain this. This is very important thing because many times on the holidays, we do tend to have some of the things, right? So what can be taken with that? First thing, there are restrictions to it. Okay. And my take would be keep the frequency of alcohol as lesser as possible, or you can avoid it if you want to manage the sugar levels, because we have seen bigger spikes with the alcohol intake apart, let's say, other than the non-alcoholic people. So that one thing you can consider. But these are some healthy options which you can choose as a cider. It's salad, some protein appetizer. Okay. Keep on sipping on water after your, let's say after your drink, alcoholic beverage, because that will make sure you're not empty stomach. That will make sure your hydration levels. Okay. Try not to add any of the ciders as a fried foods or oily things, because that will lead to weight gain and other metabolic complications as well. Okay. Again, my take would be do not consume any alcohol while even if you're on travel, because that will not help us to improve on our sugar level and maintain the sugar level. Okay, this is all about what we have to do while we are vacationing or while we are on holidays, what things you can choose while we are out. Now we are open for questions. If you have any question, feel free to drop in our messages. Anything, Neha, you want to add on?
No, Anuja, I think you have covered a post. But when we go to Swiggy, Zomato, there are a lot of healthy options also. I just want to add up. Many times, like it happens with me that I'm out or I don't have any other choice. So what I preferably do is I go with a lot of like salad options, go with the grilled food. So you can go with salad dates, salad pointers. There are just write down the salad, bowls, or you can write down the Buddha bowls. You will get multiple options where the carbohydrates can be controlled, and it's all about maintaining the portion of the carbohydrates in the diet. If you're successfully maintaining the portion of carbohydrates, automatically your HbA1c and your daily blood sugar readings will never ever go up. And we feel okay, we are going on vacation. It's just a matter of 1 week, 2 weeks. But what we have seen is when they come back, they come up with so much of resistance, double the amount what they have started up with. So whatever the efforts you have put, it's going all waste. So be very mindful, because after that it becomes challenging for your coach and very, very demotivating for you as a person, because you see such a drastic, increase in the numbers. So I just want to highlight this so that you people can be more careful. It's not that we are going somewhere for a change, for a fun. Whatever you are enjoying, enjoy in moderation. Make sure that the meal sequencing never gets missed. Having the salad first. If you are not having the salad over there, not getting the salad, we can go with the East of Gold. Carry the East of Gold, the xylem husk along with you. Have 1 teaspoon in the mouth and gulp the water on top of that. Anuja, if you can just write down these steps over there in the chat,
Yes.
I think people can utilize that. We can carry as apple cider vinegar, or you can carry the sugar-free juice. have it before the meals. That will also help you before, to bring the spikes down. So keeping your plate filled with more of the vegetables and the proteins, and then less portion with the carbohydrates. Try not to eat maida-based products because that gives a drastic spike. They have the polysaccharides, which means there are a lot of glucose molecules being stick together. So when you eat, it keeps breaking on and on and on and on, and the blood sugar levels for more than 3 to 4 hours. What is Buddha Bowl? We have done the recently Buddha Bowl challenge also. We have done the session on it. I think it's a small bowl where, you have all the ingredients together to control the portion size. It has a lot of salad. It has proteins from either chickpea or eggs or any of the protein source like fish or normal pulses. Second, one portion of either quinoa or the oats or your red rice or brown rice, any one grain. So that's how it balances it out. Okay, I am going to share the link of the Buddha Bowl session with you. You can refer to this session recording. Please subscribe this channel so that you get the recording for all the channels, all the sessions. So I have put it there in the chat. Please subscribe it. Secondly, I got to know that can we have the sugar-free options? See, sugar-free options, there's a very there's nothing called sugar-free actually, and they have the sugars what they are using. It's not very good. These are all altered form of sugars. But I feel like if you want to prepare something at home, or you are taking anything in moderation, doing the meal sequencing would be the better choice. But the frequency has to be checked. Sugar is something, it's like a drug. It will make you addictive. Like you drink alcohol or you do smoking, it makes you addictive. You feel the urge of doing it again and again. Same with the excessive carbohydrates, especially the simple carbohydrates. The more you consume the carbohydrates, or especially the simple carbohydrates like sugar, refined flour, like maida-based products, you will feel like, okay, I need more because it leaches away the water from the cells. It makes you increase the cravings by altering the hunger hormones and the satiety hormones. So it's something you won't be able to understand what chemical reactions it is going through. But yeah, sometimes nobody is stopping you. Sometimes it's okay. We do feel like do the meal sequencing, having the nuts and seeds before that, making sure you are utilizing the entire sweets and the sugar what you are getting from it. So walk, do running, drink lemon water post that because it leaves a lot of free radicals also. So I tell you one thing, major problems what we have seen that increasing in India or throughout the globe is the cancer. You have a lot of liver diseases. You have a lot of the what we call that GERD, IBS. These are all basically even people are nowadays have started getting a lot of stomach cancer, which is irreplaceable. When you get to know about the stomach cancer or the esophagus cancer, food pipe cancer at the very large stage, which is the fourth stage. I've seen a couple of cases, people are dying because of that, because, of wrong meal choices, the food choices, what they are making. And later on, they, really regret because there is no treatment for it still. The one treatment what they give is cancer because it's getting diagnosed at such a late stage, we can't be able to make out the treatment and can't reduce the progression.
Yes.
TheraBand session link. So that is also there in the same, use the same link which I just shared with you. This is the
One
link.
question I can
All the
see.
sessions are there.
Yes, one question I can see above is how about Diet Coke and zero cal colas? So basically, my take on that would be if you're having Diet Coke or zero cal colas, it does not mean that it does not contain any sugar. Right. So make sure to read the ingredients. Whatever you take outside, whenever you're on the holidays, any packaged food you get, read the ingredients because that will give you a good idea कि उसमें क्या-क्या added है and if that is suiting our lifestyle or not, or is that is allowed in our lifestyle or not, and you can choose the right thing for you. For me, the Diet Cokes and Zero Coca-Colas is
Anuja, we all know that what it is.
yes.
All processed, all packed. And people say very clearly, all
Exactly.
the doctors says very clearly, scientists or research, you read through it. One thing which is your biggest enemy, the plastic
Sugar.
and the processed and the packed food.
Packed food.
These are all artificially created food. The more you get dependency on it, the more the glycation means the deterioration of the internal body starts taking place.
More you are inviting on the disorders, basically.
So it's on you how you take it up. So Nandaji, I have already started the process for the Buddha Bowl and the yoga session winners prize. You will get it very soon by the next week, most probably by next week for sure. So please stay tuned, wait for it, you will get it.
Someone is asking whether the vinegar needs to be diluted. Yes, vinegar needs to be diluted. Do
Yeah.
not consume
And
it
rinse
directly.
your mouth. Don't brush it.
Yes.
Last time also we discussed with the dentist. Don't brush the teeth after vinegar. Rinse your mouth so that it will not impact your enamel.
Back to your teeth, yeah. Then
We can also carry the protein powder when we are traveling. Psyllium husk, protein powder. These are all very important, stuff. Even carry some of the nuts and seeds box. That's almost like, something which is a savior when you feel very hungry. Protein powder, sattu powder, just mix it in a glass of water anywhere and consume.
and drink it, yes. Someone is asking, can roti be replaced with wheat bread? My take on that would be no, because wheat bread also has maida into it. It has more of maida and less of, let's say, no wheat is equals to no wheat. So
I tell you
roti
one
is good.
of the very important fact, Anuja, people are not aware. Bread consists of one of the compound called alloxin. Alloxin is one of the compound which is injected to rats to make them diabetic and do the researches on them. So imagine what we are consuming. The breads which are having high amount of alloxin, having lot of growth factors, which alters the genetic factor of our body. And then these are actually getting used on the rats to research the diabetes, or many other researches on them. So please avoid the bread as much as you can. Once a while, once in 15 days, 10 days, it's okay, body can deal with it. But seeds bread, the one of my favorite is the sourdough bread. Sourdough bread is much better because it has been fermented. But see the tag, the back ingredient. Sometimes they say it is a sourdough bread. It's a protein bread. But when you see the back ingredients, it's 90%, 60% manna. So be very, very careful about it.
Is homemade bread is better option. If you're making it with whole grain or multigrain, you can go ahead and try. It is the better option than outside bread, obviously. Yeah.
Yeah. So I just prefer like go with a lot of like millets, go with the millet chapati, jawar roti, and you make it right way, it tastes really yummy. Gluten, again, nowadays researchers are saying that, gluten has the P protein and the G protein, which again alters the entire genes. So researchers have recently, highlighted what food you are eating can change your genes. So how it behaves. If you're eating any of the wheat factor, which is like wheat has high amount of P and the G protein, which is undigestible. Now, because of this, it starts increasing the allergies and the inflammation inside the system. And due to this high inflammation, your body start becoming more diabetic. So we have been eating wheat from ages, but then the quality has altered. Now we have not been aware. Earlier, there was not much testing also. Now we are getting to know that so many people are gluten allergic. And the moment they reduce the gluten from the diet, they feel so light, they don't feel bloating, they don't feel any gastric issues, constipation, any of the gut related. So it inflammates your gut health. So please try to get rid of wheat as much as possible. At least 3 days in a week, go with the millets. And one day you can have the rice. Go with the red rice. For North Indians, I can say that, people who are like very much fond of the white rice, either now north or south, red rice suits better to them. It's more palatable compared to brown rice or any other rice, black rice. So that's what I have personally, I also feel. I can't eat black rice. I can't eat brown rice. What I can really enjoy eating is the red rice. So it's like something palatable. आप आराम से खा सकते हो. उसका taste भी इतना कुछ भी
Nearby white rice के
easily
taste से.
blend हो जाता है. और जिनको sugar fed rice suit कर रहा है, तो I think nothing better than that. You can go with the sugar fed rice. But yes, add lot of variety. Don't get stick to only one kind of grain कि हम यही खाएंगे. And diabetes, one thing more I want to highlight that it depletes your trace minerals. आपका chromium, magnesium, zinc, selenium ये सब deplete हो जाता है. इसकी वजह से क्या होता है? Resistance और बढ़ जाती है. Body का insulin sensitivity होती है जो to increase the digestion of your glucose molecules वो भी कम हो जाती है. And that actually leads to a lot of problems like in diabetes and other inflammatory diseases. And this also actually makes the weight loss very difficult. So people who are trying to lose the weight and not giving up on the wheat, not giving up on the processed food, so this will never ever let you lose the weight, no matter whether you are exercising. The right food and the right ingredients in the diet, as well as the right workout combination, is very important, and with the right amount of trace minerals in the system, that is selenium, magnesium and all these range, वो कहाँ से मिलेगा? मिलेट से मिलेगा. थेराबैंड लिंक मैंने भेज दिया यहाँ पे, देखिए थेराबैंड लिंक इज देयर. सो आप चैनल सब्सक्राइब करेंगे ना, तो देयर आर लाइक ऑल द लिंक्स आर देयर. सो आई जस्ट क्विकली गिव यू अ व्यू ऑफ हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. सो this is the YouTube page called Health Lover. So when you go through it, all the sessions we have done so far, including the skin health series, all are over here. आप आराम से सबको देख सकते हैं whenever you want. That is the only reason I have created this link, so that आप आराम से रेफर कर सकते हैं. बार बार कोचेस को भी पूछने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, या वो डाउनलोड नहीं हो रहा है, या आपका स्पेस ब्लॉक कर रहा है. डायरेक्टली आप यहाँ जाइए और आपको जो वीडियो देखना है आप आराम से बैठ के वेबिनार की रिकॉर्डिंग अपने फ्री टाइम में सुन सकते हैं. क्लियर? एनी अदर डाउट? Anuja, any other question you can see?
Is Little Millet worth being replaced with dosa rice? I guess yes. Yes, you can
You
try.
can make dosa out of the millets. I make the Kodu millet dosa and Jawar dosa. दोनों बहुत अच्छे बनते हैं. And I tell you that you won't be able to compare the taste. इडली भी बहुत अच्छा आती है, डोसा भी बहुत अच्छा आता है.
It almost tastes like same only. No taste changes at.
Okay, how to subscribe? वहाँ पे जैसे ही आप click करेंगे, there is option to subscribe the channel. Just subscribe it. Left hand side में you can see. So to drink the water 15-20 minutes, at least half an hour before the meals, you can have the water, glass of water, and half an hour after the meals. Because
After the meal.
before the meal, the acid gets released in the system to digest that meal. So if you are drinking the water immediately, it will neutralize the acid. आपका digestion proper नहीं होता है. ज्वार अगर spikes देता है, you have a lot of other range of millets. 5 positive millets: Kodu millet, brown top millet, little millet. Then we can go with the foxtail millet and the finger millet. Any of these which suits you, you can go with it. It's absolutely good to go.
Okay.
TheraBand is the resistance band. ऐसे दिखता है. Decathlon या Amazon किधर भी आपको. How it looks like. You can use it at home and do the exercise. This is something which helps you in using your body opposite to the gravity, and which helps in gaining muscle mass. Barnyard and Little Millet, no, both are different. Little Millet is समय के चावल जो होते हैं, and Barnyard is different, जिसका हिंदी नाम मुझे नहीं याद है अभी. I think अनुजा एक बार सर्च कर लेना.
वही करें.
How much water to drink? आपका water intake is like, I think, make sure that you're drinking a lot of water to flush excessive.
Barnyard is bajra.
Barnyard is bajra. तो बाजरा भी आप आराम से खा सकते हैं, बट सर्दी में खाना है. गर्मी जहां पर बहुत ज्यादा है उन्हें नहीं खाना. People in Bangalore can eat it easily because Bangalore weather is like pretty pleasant. So any of the new thing that you are trying, it's a fun experiment. Pre-meal reading and the post-meal reading can help you in understanding कि आपकी body में कितना suit करता है. Teeth are becoming violet. I will feel due to active juice, sugar-free active juice. No, these active juice cannot do any of these damages to the, because apple cider can do. Sugar-free juice में तो herbs है. तो आप बस एक बार कुल्ला कर लिया करिए. ये सब चीजें लेने के बाद हमेशा rinse your mouth. तो ये थोड़ा सा आप ध्यान, जितना हेल्पफुल है उतना हमें पता है. Sugar-free juice is not acidic. I'm having severe muscle pains of my arms and legs. My food suggestions particularly. Lakshmi, first thing is that make sure you are doing exercises. See that you are eating a lot of magnesium rich food. अगर दर्द ज्यादा है तो अभी for a temporary Epsom salt आता है. Anuja, please write down in the chat. Epsom salt को 1 बकेट पानी में डाल के अच्छे से मिक्स करके उससे नहा लीजिए. इट्स मैग्नीशियम सल्फेट, या फिर आप पैर उसमें डुबो लीजिए अपना, वो पूरी बॉडी में एब्जॉर्ब हो जाएगा और मसल्स को रिलैक्स करेगा। पेन आता है मसल्स में स्टिफनेस की वजह से। सेकेंडली, मैग्नीशियम रिच फूड जो कि आपको मिलेट्स में मिल जाएगा, विच यू विल गेट इन चिया सीड्स। तो प्लीज ये दोनों फूड आप इनकॉर्पोरेट कर लीजिए, आपको काफी आराम मिल जाएगा। बट एक्सरसाइज इज मस्ट, डू सम स्ट्रेचेस। हम जितना अपने मसल्स को यूज नहीं करेंगे ना, उतना स्टिफ होते जाएंगे, जितना स्टिफ होंगे उतना पेन करेंगे। प्रोटीन्स नहीं लेंगे अगर आप, तो भी ये प्रॉब्लम होगी। It can be diabetic neuropathy also, so please check with the doctor once if it is not getting fixed in the next 10 days. Okay, seeds and nuts में थोड़ा थोड़ा अमाउंट में प्रोटीन होता है, इट्स मेजरली द फैट्स, बट थोड़े अमाउंट में यू विल गेट द प्रोटीन्स ऑल्सो। बट अगर आप सोचे कि वो रिप्लेसमेंट है, तो हमारे दिन में नट्स और सीड्स की रिक्वायरमेंट जो होती है वो 2 चम्मच नट्स सीड्स खा सकते हैं और 10 से 12 पीसेस ऑफ नट्स खा सकते हैं, इससे ज्यादा हमें नहीं। Make sure you are soaking the nuts so that it easily gets absorbed in the system.
That's it about the questions. I cannot
Great.
see any name.
Already exceeded the time, but thank you so much everyone for joining in. I just wanted to spare a few minutes and write down your comments in the premium group. Utilize the premium group. Whatever you are learning, please share it over there with your friends so that they will also feel the interest in these sessions. We are doing these sessions for you. This is extra effort from our side to help you in understanding the topic. आपके जो भी day to day queries हैं, हम उसे resolve कर सके. So please आपके कोई भी suggestions हो, I'm just writing down my email ID also. आप यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं. Anyone over here is from Bangalore? Anyone here who is from Bangalore? Great. So thank you everyone for joining in for today's Shresha, if you are in Bangalore, please, I want to meet you. Do come to the Sugarfit office. I have sent the form and invite for the karaoke night. It's on 27th, so please do join us. It's different energy overall when you come and meet people like Dr. Chavi, Shivtosh, Mother, entire Sugarfit team is there. All the coaches from Bangalore are there. There are a lot of people who come up. I'm sure we will do in different cities. We have stopped in Mumbai, Delhi, and Hyderabad because people were not turning up, and we can't do the session just for 6 to 7 people. We want the people to come up. Sujata ji, if you are in Bangalore, please do come. I want you to come. Make out the time for these sessions. Once a month, हम लोग इसीलिए करते हैं कि people can meet each other. And rest of the places, if you are there in Hyderabad, if you want us to come over there, if you want to schedule one session, please take a lead. Tell your coach, and I am interested in doing the session, and we will help you out, and we will conduct it everyone. So we want you to come forward. आप लोग सब आपस में मिलिए, एक दूसरे से बात करिए. इट्स वेरी हेल्पफुल. पता है आपको, एक अपने ही कम्युनिटी के लोगों से बात करके बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है, राइट? एंड एक मोटिवेशन भी आता है कि हाँ, हम जो कर रहे हैं उससे हमें रिजल्ट्स आ रहे हैं, दूसरों को भी रिजल्ट्स आ रहे हैं. एंड कभी कभी जो हम नहीं कर पाते वो दूसरा इंसान हमें इतना सिंप्लीफाई करके बता देता है, बिकॉज दे देमसेल्फ mistakes and learn from it. So आपको भी उसमें you can learn from them and learn from each other. Okay, so Sajal Gupta, we were doing it in Delhi till last December. We have done in all these cities, but the thing is, people were not coming. So, if you want to do it, I can help you. We can take a lead and start doing it again. Anup ji, Bangalore में है तो please जरूर आइएगा. Those who are in Bangalore, Bangalore में HSR में है. We have our head office in HSR. So it's a nice place. We are doing a karaoke, have called the singers, everyone, nice good food for you people to enjoy and relax and forget about the diabetes and meet each other, talk to each other about their concerns, your concerns, and I think the more we discuss, the better will be the outcome. Such, if you are keeping an eye on the premium group, आप सबको notification आया है. Let's restart, Sajal. I'm absolutely perfect. Okay, tell your coach and we can plan it out. In your group itself, there might be many people from Delhi. So write down over there people who are from Delhi, Hyderabad. We should also catch up once a month or once in 2 months. Plan the meet, and we will be there to help you with all the necessities. So थैंक्स अ लॉट। मॉर्निंग के बाद शुगर बढ़ जाती है, कोई बात नहीं, बढ़ जाती है, वो भी आ जाएगी नीचे। जस्ट मेक श्योर कि संजय जी आप खाली पेट वॉक नहीं करें। ईट समथिंग बिफोर गोइंग फॉर अ वॉक, सम नट्स, शुगर फ्री जूस ले लीजिए, दैट विल हेल्प इन इम्प्रूविंग द रीडिंग्स। वेडनेसडे इवेंट बैंगलोर, इट इज ऑन 27। आप लोगों को बैंगलोर का इनवाइट मिला कि नहीं? मैंने सबको प्रीमियम ग्रुप में, पर्सनल चैट पे सबको भेजा है। Can you just give me a go ahead whether you have received the invite or not? I have sent it to everyone
I
in
can see
the
one yes.
okay premium group में, वरना अपने कोच से बात करिए, she will share the invite with you. It's a nice event. I'm sure you all are going to have good time together. बहुत सारी फन मस्ती और एक दूसरे का साथ, और क्या चाहिए, है ना? एक इवेंट तो हम सभी चाहते हैं, इंस्टेड ऑफ गोइंग फॉर अ शॉपिंग जस्ट फॉर ईटिंग, दिस इज समथिंग मोर रिलैक्सिंग। सो लिसन टू द म्यूजिक, आप भी गा सकते हैं, अपने फैमिली को ला सकते हैं, वी हैव केप्ट इट ओपन फॉर एवरीवन। So come and enjoy with your family and let's meet each other. Nothing better than that to meet everyone's family member and create some new friends and friends group who are working on the healthier path, because सबसे important क्या होता है कि फ्रेंड्स तो सभी मिल जाते हैं, बट हमारे जैसे जो एक हेल्दी पाथ पे वॉक कर रहे हैं, जो एक हेल्थ में चेंजेस लाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, वो बहुत जरूरी होता है। तो आप खुद भी अपने आप को चेंज करिए और ऐसे लोगों के साथ रहिए। हम बच्चों को सिखाते हैं ना, अच्छी संगति में रहिए, अच्छी कंपनी बनाइए, तो वैसे ही हमें भी एक ऐसे पूरा एक चाहिए जहाँ पे हम एक दूसरे की हेल्प कर सके, और हम एक दूसरे से एक वो उत्साहन और मोटिवेशन जो हमें चाहिए होता है वो हमें मिल सके। आई सेंड द लिंक अगेन, प्लीज register yourself. वीरेंद्र जी, if you are feeling very hungry, see what is the quantity of proteins in your diet. अगर आपकी रीडिंग्स बहुत ज्यादा रहती हैं, if your glucose levels are very high, that means कि खाना तो है ब्लड में, बट वो सेल्स के अंदर जाना चाहिए ताकि आपको एनर्जी मिले। जब तक सेल्स में एब्जॉर्ब नहीं होगा, आपको एनर्जी नहीं मिलेगी, यू विल फील लो। So walk post meal and drink lemon water. Eat more of proteins and salad before the meal so that you can digest it well. Mumbai people, if you people are ready, I'm telling again and again, please अपने बात करिए, हम लोग बहुत जल्दी एक इवेंट शेड्यूल कर सकते हैं डिफरेंट सिटीज। सो प्लीज टेक द इनिशिएटिव, आपको भी लेना पड़ेगा, हम तो है ही आप लोगों को सपोर्ट करने के लिए। बैंगलोर इज HSR, आई हैव सेंड द डिटेल्स इन द चैट, सो प्लीज यूज इट। आपका पर्सनल चैट चेक करिए कोच के साथ, वहां पे मैंने डिटेल्स भेजी है सारी। एंड आई होप जयशंकर जी आप सब लोग आएंगे इस इवेंट में। 5 बजे 5 o'clock से है शाम को, इट्स फ्रॉम इवनिंग 5 p.m. Reason to keep it in the evening, many people can't wake up in the morning, so that's why we have decided to keep it in the evening this time. Let's see kitne log aate hain. We have also planned the convince to those who are like old people living alone, so if anybody wants to, you have to fill the form and register for that. Thanks, Sanuja. I hope you all
Thank
enjoyed.
you.